Humidity sensor malfunction causing incorrect readings can mess up your whole setup, and it's super frustrating when you're trying to keep things comfy or safe. So, if your humidity sensor is acting all weird and giving you wrong numbers, first thing, check if it's dirty or dusty, because that stuff can totally throw off the readings. Make sure the sensor is in a good spot, not too close to vents or windows where air swings a lot, because that can confuse it. Sometimes, sensors just need a reset or a quick reboot, so try unplugging it for a minute and then plugging it back in. If your sensor uses batteries, don't forget to swap them out. Old batteries can cause all kinds of funky errors. Also, look over the wiring or connections if you're dealing with a wired sensor. Loose wires can make the data jump all over the place. Calibration is key, so if your device lets you recalibrate it, do that according to the manual. Avoid spraying water or cleaning fluids directly on the sensor. Instead, use a soft cloth to clean it gently. And lastly, keep an eye on software updates for your sensor's app or system, because sometimes bugs get fixed that way. One of the biggest mistakes people make with humidity sensors is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to buildup that messes with accuracy. Clean it gently and regularly. Another common problem is placing the sensor in a bad spot like near heat sources or drafty windows. Move it somewhere with steady airflow instead. People also forget to recalibrate their sensors when needed, so if your readings don't seem right after cleaning and moving it, recalibrate based on the instructions to fix those errors. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors get a great chance to connect with new clients and grow their business through the platform.